We interrupt your regular programming. This is a global emergency. Important details to follow. The following message is transmitted of a request by the United States government and NASA. NASA had discovered a black hole. It might suck the entire Earth planet in the next 25 minutes. This is the end of the world. There is no way to survive this situation. This will be the last 25 minutes on life on Earth. The emergency alert system will shut down for the very final time. This broadcast will play with the final playing of our national anthem. God bless the world and the United States of America. This broadcast will now cease transmission.